If you're new to YouTube and not sure which videos to publish, or you've been here a while but you are not getting the views that you'd hope for, well, it's time to unlock the power of keyword research. Hi, my name is Irene Chan and I'm going to walk you through the basics of finding the right keywords for your channel so that your videos can get more views. So let's get those numbers up. Make sure to stay at the end because we've got a solution for you. So once you have those keywords, you can keep recording and producing videos consistently. Let's get started. First things first, what are keywords? Keywords are the words that people type when they're looking for something on YouTube. So for example, if you're watching this video right now, you probably have searched for something like keyword research for beginners. And then YouTube will provide you all of the videos related to the topic or phrases that you've used to find the video. Think of them as a code that users use to find videos like yours. Now, what about SEO or search engine optimization? It's making sure that your videos are built in a way that YouTube understands and loves. It's like giving YouTube a map of your video with keywords as the X that marks the spot. So there are many other components of SEO that makes your video searchable on YouTube, such as the way you write the titles and descriptions. But in this video, we're going to focus on how you're gonna build your keywords list so you can understand the videos that you're going to produce for your audience. Now, how do you find these keywords? There are loads of tools out there, from YouTube's own search bar to specialized software specifically designed to find keywords for YouTube. Let's start with the freebies. YouTube's auto suggest feature is a great starting point. Start typing the keywords on the search bar and YouTube will offer suggestions. And these suggestions are actually based on what people have searched in the past. So it will give you an idea of what people are looking for. So for example, if you're producing videos for yoga, then you type in yoga, then you will see a bunch of different phrases related to yoga. So the YouTube auto suggest feature is only giving you an idea of what people have typed in the past. It doesn't tell you how many actually people search for it and whether there's a lot of competition for that specific keyword. So that's where paid tools really come in, so that it can give you a full 360 degrees. So you need a more specialized tool like VidIQ and TubeBuddy. There are browser extensions that integrate directly with YouTube so that you can see more data such as the search volume, so you can exactly know how many times people are searching for specific keywords. Like, are there thousands of people searching for a keyword, or are there only a few hundred people searching for them? You also get data about the competition, because what if you produce videos that a lot of people are searching for, but there are already a lot of great videos that are ranking for it. So you want to make sure that you hit the right spot of finding a lot of volume for the keywords that you want to target, and at the same time, low competition. So it means that not a lot of YouTubers have produced great videos yet on that specific topic, so there's a chance for you to show up on those specific keywords that you want. My advice is to start with the free tools and see what you can find, but if you feel like you don't have enough data, you can always upgrade to the paid version of VidIQ or TubeBuddy and understand which one works for you best in uncovering the right keywords for you. Having the right tool is just the first step. So finding the right keywords isn't just about picking the most popular terms. It's a whole process that involves understanding your audience, understanding your industry or your niche, and also understanding what you can offer to your audience and the kind of videos that you want to produce for them. Start with the broad topics that you want your channel to be known for. This should align with the videos that you want to produce and the interests of your target audience. For example, if your channel is about vegan cooking, your core topics might be easy vegan meals or vegan cooking tips. Generate a list of keyword ideas related to your core topics. Look for phrases that your audience might use for content like yours. Go ahead and type your core topics and discover more keyword phrases that are related to it. So at this point, you don't have to narrow down your list. Just build as many keyword phrases as you can. For now, we're aiming for quantity and we'll figure out the quality later. If you're feeling stuck about the potential keywords that your audience might use to find your videos, you can ask one of your viewers or one of your friends that could potentially be watching your videos and ask them what they would actually type on YouTube for finding your videos. The next step is to use your keyword tool to understand how often people search for these terms. High search volume indicates that a keyword is popular, but this might mean that it's also high competition. TubeBuddy actually provides a very visual way of understanding if a search term is popular and it isn't competitive. Now you want to look at how many videos are already ranking for these keywords, because if there's a lot, that means it's high competition. Because if there's already really good videos that are ranking really well for a specific keyword, that means it's harder for you to rank those videos. So that's just one side of the story. That's only checking out the quantity of the videos that are ranking. But you also want to check the quality of the videos that are currently ranking. So go ahead and watch the videos. Are they fulfilling? Are the videos that currently ranking satisfying the intent of the search? So for example, if you are searching for keyword research for beginners and the videos that actually showing are not for beginners. As a beginner, you're finding it hard to understand. So that means that there's an opportunity for you to have a better video that actually meets the search intent of the keyword. In general, the ideal keywords that you want to rank for is that it has a high search volume but low competition. And competition doesn't only mean numbers, it also means about the quality of the video. Step number 5, consider relevance and intent. So it's not just about numbers, relevance is key. The keywords must align with your video content. Also consider the user's intent. Are they looking to learn, buy, or just be entertained? So for example, I have carpal tunnel syndrome and I would usually search for ergonomic keyboards. So that's a good indicator that I have a buying intent because I'm specifically looking for reviews. And that example keyword right there also gives you an idea of the structure of your videos. Step number 6, look for long tail keywords. So we've discussed about keywords in general, and keywords in general are like 2 or 3 words that you use to search for a topic. Long tail keywords are of course longer, and they are more specific phrases that tend to have a lower search volume, but also that means it's low competition. They can be gold mines for new channels because they target viewers who are looking for exactly what you offer. Look at the keywords that you have right now. How many do you have? It's time to prioritize them. First, you have to understand how many videos you can produce each week. So let's say you're planning for a 3-month content plan, then you have 12 videos to produce. So your goal is to choose the 12 keywords that you want to produce for that 3 months. You want to choose the top 12 keywords that are high volume and low competition. There are other things that you want to consider when you are prioritizing your videos. Focus on evergreen topics. So that means that these videos will work at any season, at any time, and people will continue to search for them just because you will get more value from that one video. The second is to prioritize videos that are easier to produce. Talking like this in front of the camera is a much easier video to produce than, let's say, creating a whole review of an ergonomic keyboard. That takes more setup and different camera angles. So that doesn't mean though that I'm not going to create those videos. It's just that I'm going to make sure that I have 12 videos in the pipeline that I'm ready to produce. The last thing that can really help you prioritize is understanding your goal. So for example, I have a YouTube channel that my goal is only to document the things that we've done as a family, traveling and going to arcades and going to our international trips. So in that channel, I'm just doing basic keyword research. So just in case someone else is looking for that specific videos, then we will show up for it. Now I have another YouTube channel that talks specifically about AI, and my goal for that is to bring leads, and I will prioritize keywords that will affect the leads that I get. So for example, since I'm talking about AI, I would prioritize videos about ChatGPT's latest features. So think about that when you're finalizing your keyword list. And one more tip just before we end this process. Keyword trends change a lot depending on what people are looking for and other factors. So make sure to visit your keyword list quarterly, and you can understand new keywords that you want to rank for. From your YouTube analytics, you will see the keywords that people are searching for when they found your videos. The idea is to keep producing more videos for your target audience. By following these steps, you'll not only drive traffic to your YouTube channel, but you'll also attract the right kind of audience that will follow you, support you, and hopefully buy your products and services. Now that you have a list of keywords, it's time to put those into action. This is where Vidpros comes in. Vidpros offers on-demand video editing services that ensures you have an engaging and highly professional looking videos. They can assist in editing your footage to match the SEO-driven narrative you've outlined, ensuring that the final product is polished and optimized for viewer retention and YouTube ranking. So with those keywords listed and a resource like Vidpros, it gives you the best chance to rank higher on YouTube and grow your audience. Thank you so much for watching. Now go ahead and find those keywords and start producing those videos. Before you go, please hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow Vidpros on social media. My name is Irene Chan, and cheers to your YouTube success.